Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing what matters: power and connectivity. Plug the watch to the charger or confirm it has 50% battery, because firmware updates can fail if power drops. Next, open the companion app on your phone and confirm it is paired via Bluetooth. Use Wi-Fi for bigger downloads to save mobile data. Backing up settings is quick and prevents data loss, so do it now. Once done, navigate to the watch settings or the app's update section to check for available software. You'll see release notes. Read them to know size and fixes, because that sets expectations. Tap download in the app. The phone downloads the package and then transfers it to the watch via Bluetooth or companion protocol. During transfer, keep both devices close and avoid running intensive apps that may throttle Bluetooth. The watch may reboot multiple times. This is normal. Make sure not to force close the companion app. When the installer prompts, confirm installation on the watch and wait for process completion. Once installation finishes, verify the new version under About or Software Info. This confirms success and why features may differ. Re-enable settings you backed up and check sensors and notifications to ensure they work. If the update stalls, first restart both the watch and phone, then retry. Transient Bluetooth or cache issues often clear that way. If problems persist, last resort is a factory reset, but restore your backup after. Remember, restarting and retrying fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.